uh, give some name so that tomorrow later if you come, you can search with this term. So what I can see, ZSAP. Let me check one moment. Give me a time because yeah, some programs are already there. I want some namespace so that it will be uniquely for identified for your batch only.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll give here M so that you can identify the programs which are starting with the ZM or for the morning batch, because you are coming in a morning session. I'll give ZM something and then I'll give the program name. I will say ZM test 1. Give any name. So some name. This M I am giving for morning batch, and test 1 I am giving for say for example this is something else. So, but your program should always start with either Z or Y. Okay.
Yeah.
SAP, these are the programs which will be created by ABAPers. The programs which are created by ABAPers other than SAP customers, the program's name will start with Z or Y. There are some certain SAP standard programs also available. Those programs will start from either A, B, C, D up to X. Say for example, SAP is a package, right? SAP has already so many programs. So those programs start with A, B, C, D and so on up to X. Any letter it can start. But whatever program you are going to create, that program you must create with a letter either Z or Y.
Y.
Yeah.
Okay.
And click on create. So here there is a button create is there, and click on create. So here this ZM test is already existing. So I'll say ZM test underscore 01. So here I'll say my first program. So when you click on create, it will ask a pop-up. In the pop-up, you need to give the title for the program. The title for the program is give anything. You can give anything in this. And type here, there is something called type. In this type, there are several kinds of programs are available. Executable program, include program, module, pool, function group, etc., etc. So first, we are going with the executable program. Select this executable program here.
Okay.
And click on save.
Okay.
So when you click on save, it's giving two options here: save as a local object or save in a package. See this symbol, this trophy symbol is there. This symbol, when you click on this symbol, this will be saved in a package. Or when you click on this local object, this is saved as a local object. Now, what is the difference? What is a package? Package means it's like a folder in SAP. Say for example, in Windows you will use a folder for what purpose? Say for example, if you have created a document, if you have created a document, then you will store the document inside the folder, right? To remember, to classify certain things, or to remember easily, and next time to get the data easily, you will divide the content into different folders, and you will store it for easy storage. So like that, in SAP you can store something in a package. You give the package name here, jet test or something, okay? But this package should be created earlier. That means if the folder is already existing, then only you can save the program into that folder. Okay, otherwise you need to create the package first. Otherwise you need to create the package first, and then you need to save your program. So this is the way. Another way is this is the way of storing your program in a package. Another way is storing the program in a local object. Local object in the sense you will give here $TMP. If you are saving something in $TMP, TMP means a temporary package. Okay. If you are saving something in a $TMP package, that is called a local object. That means it's. What I'm going to say is, in system landscape, we have studied about 3 servers. That is development server, quality server, and production server. Once you create an object in a development server, it will be moved to the quality server, and it will be moved to the production server. If something need to be moved to the quality and production, then
Okay.
what should happen is you should save it in a proper package. That means jet test or something. Remember, if you save it in a $TMP package, you cannot move it to the quality or production. This is only for
Okay.
this server, specific to this server. That is called a $TMP. Okay. So now
Okay.
I'll give the $TMP here. Click on save. So my program is specific to this particular server. I cannot move this program to the quality or production server.
Quality or not.
Yeah, quality or production server. I cannot move this program. This program is only specific to my development server. That is this server.
Temporary
Yeah,
local
temporary.
object.
Yep. So I'll click on save. So when I click on save, this screen is coming. This is called ABAP editor, where you will write
Okay.
coding. You will write here the coding, entire coding you will write. Say for example, I want to write the name. I will give the command
Okay.
write. Write is a keyword. So there are certain keywords are there in ABAP. So for example, if anybody has a C, if you have a language C language idea, there will give printf
Yeah.
command. Printf command is to
Yeah,
print
yeah.
the output, right? Similarly, here
Yeah.
the command is write, and give
Okay.
whatever you want in a single quote. Say for example, I'll give here some name I want to give. Put a dot after that single quotes.
Okay.
Every time when you write your code, there should be something like running, compiling, everything. So in SAP we follow this method. We will save the program. We will check the program. Here is a button to check. Click on this button. Check.
Check. Okay.
So when you click on a check button, it will give you whether your program has any syntactical errors or
Syntax.
yeah. So that means when you click on the button, if your program is having some syntactical error, it will show you. Then you can correct the program. After correcting the program, once your program is syntactically correct, click on this activate button.
Okay.
Okay. So this is
Okay.
how you can save your program. You check for the syntactical errors. After that, you will activate your program, and then click on execute button. This is the execute button here. You click on this execute button. So this is your output. Okay. So
Okay.
here the name, whatever we will give in a single quotes, that one is coming. And what is this?
Yeah.
My first program,
Title of the
from where it
program.
was coming, title of the program. Good. So please make a note that in the output of the program, by default,
Okay.
title of the program, page number, title of the program, page number, and underline will come. So see, my first program is the title of the program. Here if you observe on your right hand side, this is one is the page number. So this is the one. And if you observe this, there is an underline is there below this. And after that, we know this printing. So by default, these things will come. Now, so now you understand, right? This is the screen where you will write the coding, and this is the screen where you can see the output. Okay. So this is called ABAP editor, and this screen is called the output screen. Fine.
Okay.
Now the next thing. Now I want to put another word. That means I want to put after Vinod. I want to put JK initial, or SAP ABAP I want to put. So I'll put a comma. I'll put a comma here, and then again I will give another word.
Okay.
So whenever you want to give the two literals, separate it by comma. So I will save it, check it, and activate, and execute. So it's saying Vinod SAP ABAP. So two literals are coming.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now the next syntax is, I want Vinod in the first line, SAP ABAP in the second line.
Okay.
This I want here below Vinod. Okay, in the second line. How can I get?
Yeah.
SAP in ABAP always slash is a new line character. Whenever you give a slash, it will come. The remaining content will go to the new line. Okay, so now I will
Okay.
execute this program. I save, check, activate this program and execute. So now slash,
Okay.
because I have given a slash, it was going down.
Mm.
So slash is a new line character. Then the next one, I want to give color to SAP ABAP. I want to give color to
Okay.
the SAP ABAP. So the keyword is color color. You can use either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7
Okay.
colors, any color you can use. Say for example, I'll say color 5. So in between the numbers you should give should be in between 1 to 7. I'll
Okay.
execute. If you observe, a green color background is there for SAP
Yeah,
ABAP,
yeah.
right?
Mm.
So this is how you can put a color to a literal.
Okay.
Next,
Background color.
yeah, background color. Now then the next one is Vinod is coming very left side. I want to come Vinod in the some middle of the program, something here. I want the Vinod.
Okay.
Okay. How to move
Okay.
that? How to move this literal to this place? Just give the number here.
Mm.
Say I'll give here 30 Vinod. 30 means
Okay.
leave 30 spaces, then write Vinod. That is the understanding. So 30 means it will leave 30 spaces first and then it will write the Vinod. So if I execute, now you can see. So from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, if you count 30 characters will fit. After that your Vinod is coming. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is how you
Okay.
can give the space. Say for example, I want SAP ABAP also to be printed after 30 characters. I will give 30 here also. So that SAP ABAP
So that
will
will
be printed.
also, yeah.
Yeah, that will also be printed in after 30 spaces. So like this. Now the next one is I want to give a space. I want to give a space between Vinod and SAP ABAP. I want a one space, one line gap between Vinod and SAP ABAP. How to get one line gap in between these two? If you want to
One
give
more,
one
adding
line
one
gap,
more slash.
one more
Yeah.
slash.
Adding,
Okay.
yeah.
But this is not a correct way. Actually, this is some syntactic error. Yeah, you need to put a slash, comma, again slash, then it will come. But the actual syntax to do this is a skip statement. See, yeah, okay, fine, right. Whatever you said, this is also
Yeah.
correct. But instead of doing this, what you can do is you can use a skip command. For example, instead of slash, I will say skip, skip.
Okay.
So when I say skip, so skip should not be given with the right statement. So now see if you read the statement, what it is saying?
Field skip is unknown. It is
Yeah,
neither in one of the specified tables, nor do
yeah, it
field
is
the data.
data. So what it is saying is don't use skip with the right statement. If you want to use a new line character, as you said, use slash in the right statement. Otherwise, what you need to do is you can write like this.
Uh-huh.
So I will say write Vinod first. After that I will say skip. After that again go for a new line, 30 characters, SAP ABAP. I will write. Save it, check it, activate, and execute. So now it is coming like this. Okay. Now then, I want 2 line gap. Then I want 10 lines gap between Vinod and SAP. What shall I do?
Okay.
If I want a 10 lines gap between this, I will say skip 10 here.
Okay.
So after skip, if I give some number, those many lines will be left out.
Yes, sir.
So after Vinod, you are getting now so much space. 10 line spaces are coming. and then you are
Yeah.
getting a SAP ABAP.
Okay.
So this is a use of the right syntax. So now you know, right? So how to use the right syntax with this program, how to use the right keyword, and how to write the literals in the output, how to give the
Yes,
spacing,
sir.
and how
Yes, sir.
to control the line spacing and vertical and horizontal spacing. If you want to put vertical spacing, give the number. If you want to put the horizontal spacing, go for a new line or
Yeah.
use the syntax skip.
Yeah.
So with this little understanding, we are just moving to the second program.
Okay.
How to create a program? Go to SE38, give the program name,
Yeah.
click on create. Okay.
Great.
Give
Yes, sir.
here any description, some test program. Give anything here, not a problem. Select executable,
It's
click on save,
problem.
and you can click on a local object so that it will be saved on a local object. If you want
Okay.
to
Yeah.
save it in a package, so now you are coming here. Now what I am going to do is I will introduce you something called parameters. So the next keyword we are going to learn is parameters.
Okay.
So right keyword for which purpose we are using?
For display the items.
To
Display
display
the
the
names.
output in the to display the output in the
Yeah.
output screen. Parameters
Yeah.
keyword we will use to provide a selection option for the user. For example, I will say parameter name of length 10 type C.
Okay.
Then what it mean is this is a variable. Instead of name you can give
Yeah.
also ABC XYZ whatever you want you can give instead of name. That is a variable name.
Okay. Okay.
And here this is a length 10. Length 10 means now this variable
It's
can
like
accommodate 10.
array.
C means
Like an
character.
array. See.
It's not like an array. It's like a variable.
Okay. Okay.
It can store 10 characters.
Yeah.
Okay. So save it,
Okay.
check it, and activate. So what I meant to say is whenever you use the keyword parameters, you
Okay,
will
sir.
give an user you give the user an option of giving the input. So I will
Okay.
execute this. If I execute, see there is a box coming where you can give something.
Okay.
Okay. This box that
Yes,
means
sir. Yes, sir.
this box is called parameter. So
Yeah.
this can be created with the keyword parameters because you have
Parameters.
given name. Yeah. So you have given name here in the selection screen. It was coming as a name. If you give here name
Yeah.
one or something else, if you can give anything here, say I will give p underscore name, then it will also come as p underscore name. That is a variable name.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
So this is p underscore name now. So now
Yeah.
so this is a 10 character length. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 digits it
Yeah.
can accommodate. Okay.
Yeah.
So and it is
Yeah.
type C. Type C means character. Character can store
Okay.
alphabets, numerics, special symbols, everything. Character
Okay.
means it can accommodate everything. Okay. So now
Okay, sir.
so now what I will do? I will say write p underscore name. So with this, what will happen? I will save the program, check the program, and activate the program.
It will display the P name.
So here I will give
No.
JK initial or something. Give here. Now if I execute, what
Okay.
will come?
I don't know.
In the right statement, what we are giving?
P name. Yeah.
P name. So when actually this is a P name. Whatever I am giving, that will be there in P name, and if you execute,
Okay.
that will come. That will come because we are writing the P name, so that is coming.
Uh huh.
You are getting.
Okay.
So the input whatever we are giving, that is there in, that will be stored in p underscore name. Okay,
Okay.
and when you say write p underscore name, that will come. Say for example, here I will give Vinod. Vinod will be stored in p underscore name, and if
Okay.
program is saying write p underscore name, that means it's writing Vinod.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
so you understood, right, the parameter concept. Parameter will give you an option to enter in the selection screen. So now
Okay.
if you look into the program has three screens. First one is this is called ABAP editor.
Okay.
This is called selection screen, where user will give the input, and this
Okay.
is the output. This is the output. So there are three screens in your program. Every program will have three screens. The three screens are ABAP editor,
Above
selection
editor,
screen, selection screen,
selection screen and the output screen.
output screen. There are three screens.
Yeah.
So here what I'm giving is type, parameters is a keyword, p underscore
Okay.
name is a variable, type again is a keyword, c is a data type. So I repeat, parameter is
Okay.
a keyword. This
Yes, sir.
is what it is. This is variable. You can give any name.
Variable. Yeah.
This is
Type is
this is
the
type,
keyword
and
that.
type is again keyword, and c is the data type. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
there are some data types already defined in ABAP language. Say for example, if I give I means system
Yeah.
understand that p underscore name will hold integer values. I means integer. Okay. Integer means what?
Yeah.
Save it, check it.
Numbers.
Yeah, good. Integer means numbers.
Number.
So whenever you are giving an integer, don't specify the length in brackets. No need
Yeah.
to
Yeah.
specify
I
the
know.
length in brackets. Check it now. Activate
Yes, sir.
and execute. Now, can I give Vinod? Can I give Vinod in the input?
No, no, no. You cannot give.
We cannot give Vinod in the input. You can only give the numbers. Okay.
Yeah.
If I'm trying to type Vinod also, it will not come. It will not come. Okay.
Yeah.
So if you can only type 1 2 3 4, some numbers only you can type, because it is
Yes,
integer.
sir.
So
Okay.
I'll say 1 2 3 4, execute. So 1 2 3 4 will be printed. Okay. So like
Yeah.
this, SAP has some predefined data types. So now I'm going to tell you about the predefined data types. What are all SAP like? You can give I here, you can give C here. Similarly, you can give N here. So like that, what are all the SAP has the data types? Let us see. So these are all called predefined data types.
Okay.
SAP has the following predefined data type. First one is C. C means character. Okay. So
Okay,
length.
sir.
So length specification is required. Length specification in the sense, if you are giving something in a C,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
how to declare means you need to
Yes.
declare like this.
Yeah. Yes.
You need to declare parameters or something, A, B, C,
Yeah,
or some variable name, where I will
yeah.
give variable of length, some 10, type C. This is how you can declare. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And default value.
Yeah.
Default value is space for character. So now this is the first data type. So then I'm going to give the second data type. Second data type is I. I means integer.
Okay.
So length specification is not required. You can declare something like var type I. So this is how you will declare. Default value is 0. That means what I'm saying is, if it is character, if the variable is declared as a character,
Yeah.
save, check and activate, execute your program. It is giving only one digit. Okay, you need to mention the
Yeah.
length here, then only the length will
Yeah.
come. Otherwise it will consider
Yeah.
length as only one. If you give length
Yeah.
10, it will give you 10 spaces. Okay, and fine. Whatever you are
Yeah.
giving input here, that is coming as a output, right? So now I won't give any input.
Yes, sir.
Then what is the output? Space, nothing, right?
No,
So
nothing
this
is
is
there.
what, yeah. So the default value is
Default is space.
space. That is what
Space.
I'm saying. Okay.
Okay.
Next one. If you declare some variable as I, then
Okay.
length specification is not required. So if I say it as I,
Automatically
length,
the size will.
yeah, automatically it will take the size. Okay, so here if I give 1, 2, 3, 4, the output is coming as 1, 2, 3, 4. If I don't give anything,
Okay.
what will come? Default value is 0
0.
for integer. 0 for integer. Okay.
Yeah.
So the next data type is D. D means date. Otherwise we'll go for numeric. Date will come later. The next item you can learn is N. N is numeric. N stands for numeric. For this, length specification is required. Length specification you should give for this. You give the length as 5 or 6 or 7, whatever you want, you can give. Save, check and activate. Now execute your program. Now I'll give here, numeric will hold only the numbers. It cannot hold any characters or any special symbols. So I'll give here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The output is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I don't give anything,
Okay.
the default value is 5 zeros.
Okay.
Why 5 zeros? Because the
Because
length
we
we
have
have
given
given,
5.
yeah, length we have
Yeah.
given 5, so it is coming 5 zeros. So now for example I will give 1, 2. 1, 2 is my input. What is the output?
1, 2. 0, 0, 0, 1, 2. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 2. Total 5 spaces you should fill. So it will fill the remaining spaces with a 0 and other spaces with a number, whatever you have given in the input. Okay. So let us come to our understanding is numeric. So this is N. N means numeric.
Numeric.
Length specification required. You can declare a variable type N like this. You can declare. The default value is something like length times 0, so many zeros.
Okay, sir, I can understand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fine. So then we'll come to the next data type. The next data type is D. D stands for date.
Okay.
So what I told, I can give here anything. So instead of p underscore name, I'll give here p underscore date. Don't give length specification. Don't give length specification for the date.
Okay.
So save it. check it. Here what I should give, t underscore. Here also I will give date. Check it. Activate. Now execute your report. So by default you can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 spaces I am getting. So for
DD, 4
which one?
wise.
Yeah, DD, MM, 4 wise, and with the separators. Maybe DD, MM will be separated by a dot or slash or some hyphen. So the date will be something like this. See, I'll give here 0, 1, 12, 20, 1, 10. So it is, the separator is dot. So 0, 1, 12, 20, 20, 10 I'll give. So that's why it is having 10 digits. 2 digits for date, 2 digits for month, 4 digits for year, and 2 separators, so 10 digits. So now I'll execute. When I execute, what it is saying? 0, 1, 12, 2010 it was given. Without separators it was giving. Okay?
Yeah.
So when I don't give anything, what is the default value?
0, 1, 0, 1.
8 zeros. Okay? So now, so D stands for date. So length specification is not required. How you will declare?
Not required.
Some variable type.
Type
D.
And D.
D.
Yeah.
So what is the default value? Default value is
8 zeros.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many have been? 6, 7, 8. I need to put 2 more zeros. And similarly here also for numeric, you should specify the length, right? I'll do like this. Fine. Then next data type is time. I can change the variable name here to anything.
Okay.
Save it. Check. Activate. Execute. So for the time also the length specification is not required. It is coming like 0000 is separated by colon, and if you execute the default value will be 6 zeros. Okay. So the first 00 stands for hours, minutes, seconds.
Minutes and seconds.
Yeah. So the next data type is time. You can declare variable type T. So this is the default value.
Okay.
Then let us go and see the next data type. The next data type is F.
F stands for?
F stands for floating. Have you heard of floating anytime?
Yeah.
Floating means what? Which one?
Floating means it's a point, point 0.5 like that.
Okay, but here actually parameters does not support the floating. Parameters keyword does not support the floating. So we will come to this. We will come to this later. So we need to check with the floating, and then one more. So now the other data types I will tell you with the data declarations. Wait. What I will do is I'll just put here. So till now we have discussed some 5 data types.
Predefined.
Yeah, predefined 5 data types. There are still more data types are pending. So let me tell you one small program. After that I will come into the other data types. Okay.
Okay.
See, now I want to create a small program to add two numbers. I want to add two numbers and to display the sum.
Okay.
I want to create a small
Okay.
program. The user will give two inputs. That means he will give two numbers, number 10 or 20, say for example. I want to add those and I want to display the output. How to do this? I will say parameters
Two parameters.
P1, give any name, P1,
Okay.
type I, integer, okay,
Yeah.
comma, because I want to give two parameters, I am separating it by comma. Whenever you are trying to separate it, put a comma. So P2,
Why can't we write in first line itself?
yeah, you can write, not a problem.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So you can write here also. If you want to put it here, you can write.
Okay.
So I have created two parameters. After that, I want to add two parameters. Now P1 you will give some value, P2 also you will give some value, right? I will save it, check it, and activate. In the output screen you will get two boxes, right? Assume that in the P1 you give some value, in the P2 you will give some value. Now I want to add P1 plus P2. I need to put in,
Okay.
after summing I need to put somewhere, right? So for that I will declare a variable. For that I will declare a variable. Variable will be declared with the keyword data. Data, say I will say P3 type I.
Okay.
So what is the difference between
Data
a data keyword and parameter keyword is, when you give something in a when you declare something in a parameter keyword, it will display in the selection screen for input. Okay, whenever you declare data, this is just a variable. It will not display in your selection screen. So now if I execute the program, P3 you cannot see in the selection screen, but P3 is available in your program as an integer. So data keyword you will use just to declare a variable. Okay.
Okay.
So now what I will do, yeah. So now what I will do
background
here,
variable.
P3 is equal to, that means this is specific to our program. P3 is equal to P1 plus P2. So what I'm trying to do here, P1 user will give something, P2 also user will give something. I will add those and put it in P3.
Okay.
Okay. And after that I will say write P3.
Okay.
So remember one point here, P1, P2 and P3, these are called
variables.
Operands is equal to plus are called operators. So that means whatever the arithmetic symbols are there, no? Yeah, arithmetic symbols, plus, minus, divisions, symbol, these symbols are called
operators.
And other variables are called operands. P1, P2, these are the variables, right? So these are the operands. Okay. So now every time your left hand side, your right hand side content will be executed and it will be given to your left hand side content. Say for example, if I write this statement mean add P1 and P2, then put the sum into P3. That is what. Okay. So then I am writing P3. So every time your execution will be like this. Add the right hand side thing, that means do the right hand side whatever you mention and put it into the left hand side variable, and then write P3. Now I will execute this program. Execute this program. I'll say give some 12 in the and 13 here and execute. The sum is coming with a 25. And one more important point is, in ABAP, whenever you are giving operators and operand, always give one space between operator and operand. Don't give like this. If you give like this, it's an error.
Okay.
Leave a space between each operand and each operator. Fine. So now you understand this program how to do
Yes, sir.
sum. So now in the output, what I want is, my requirement is sum is coming up, but here before this I want sum is 57. I want
Yeah.
literal. The sum is
Yeah.
57. How to do this?
Yeah.
In the
Yeah.
right statement,
By single
in
colon.
single quotes,
Single colon. Yeah.
yeah, you give
Sum
the,
is
yeah, sum
sum.
is,
Okay.
and
Space.
put a comma. So because these are two, this is a literal and this is a variable.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
whenever you are giving a literal, put it in single quotes. Whenever you are giving a variable, no need to put a single
Variable.
quote.
Yes.
No need to put it in a single quote. Don't put single
Yeah.
quote for variable.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now activate. Execute. So the sum is and it's giving the sum, actual sum it's put it.
Yeah.
Fine. So now let me go to the next data type. For the time being, I will comment this. So the next data type I will say F.
What you did now, sir?
I have commented. Commented means see, I have given a star. See, every line now has a star in the beginning, right?
Yeah.
If you put a star symbol at the beginning of the line, that means this code is no more valid. This will not be there. This is just for your comments. That means you can write something which is not
That's
executable.
no.
It's not executable.
Okay.
Okay. Fine. So now I will declare a variable now. So data P3 type F, and let us see. So now it is giving a syntactically correct. Okay. But you
Yeah.
cannot declare a
So,
floating with the parameter keyword. You cannot declare floating.
okay.
With the data keyword, you can declare floating.
Okay.
So save it,
Okay.
check it, and activate. No default length specification is required for the floating. Say for example, if you want to give here some 10, it's giving error. So it can see
Yeah.
what it is saying. F can only have the length specification of 8.
Yeah.
Please remember this. So if you want to give a
Okay.
length specification for floating, give the length specification of 8. Okay? If
Okay.
you don't give also, that means if you don't specify 8 also, system will take care. System will define by default 8 digits. System will allocate 8 digits for floating point. So now the next thing is, I will say floating point,
Type
and
F.
then
F is coming in the small letter.
no, letter it's not case sensitive. You can give a capital F also. Okay, so
Okay.
I will
Okay.
say write P3. What is my output? Did I have given any value to P3?
No.
No. So what is the output? That is the default output, right? For
Yeah.
character, the default output is space. For numeric, the default output is 0, 0, 0. For integer, see. Now for the floating, so this is the default output.
Default.
Yeah, so 0, 0, 0, 0 exponent plus 0, 0. Okay, so this is the
Okay.
default output. So now you can mention here the next data type is float. Length specification is not required. You can declare it like variable type F. Default value is this one. Next, Let us test the next data type. The next data type is P. P stands for packet decimal. P stands for packet decimal. Okay. So I will give P3 type P, some variable name type P,
Yeah.
decimals 2. Okay, if I give like this, 2 decimal points will come. So save it,
Okay.
check it, activate, and execute. So 2 decimal points are coming. This is a normal value, this is a number, the integer or whatever you will give, and these are the decimal values.
Okay.
Okay, so this is how you can declare a packet decimal. Packet decimal will have a, you can declare the number of decimals, you can control the decimals, whether it to be 2 or 3 or 4, how many decimal places you want, so that you can control. So I'll say the next description, packed decimal.
Okay.
Length specification not required. The maximum length it will take will be 16. If you give some 18 or something, it will give, see
Goes
what
very
it
error.
will. So see what it is saying.
1 to
For
16
type
is
P, a length specification of 1 to 16 is allowed. So length specification maximum you can give 16 here. Okay.
yes,
So
sir.
length specification I'll say max 16. For float, what is the length specification? So if you give or will not give, it will take 8
8,
as the
8.
length specification. Yeah. And how you will declare variable type P decimals 2 or 3 or whatever. Then what
Yeah.
is your output? Your output should looks like this. This is your output. Default output is this one. Then the next one, type X. X stands for X string.
Yeah. Extreme.
X stands for XSTRING, X string. Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Sorry, wait. X I need to give here. X string I need to write here. X string. So
Yeah.
X string is generally used to store the hexadecimal values. Hexadecimal values it will store. Please make a note. So you can declare something like variable type X string. You can write like this. If I execute, the default value is 2 zeros.
Okay.
The next data type is string, string, string. String means
What is the
string
length
only.
of this thing? Extreme?
For string, length specification is not required.
Yeah, but the default length is 2.
Default length is 2, yes. Okay, so there is something called string. You can declare string as variable type string, string. Default value will be space. Say for example, I will say string, save it, check it.
This
Equals.
string, X string, P and all, we cannot give in the parameters.
Yeah, these we cannot give enough parameters.
Yeah.
So the default value is space. Okay,
Yes, sir.
fine. So these are the
What is the
predefined
length
data
of
types.
what is the length of this the
Length
string?
length is infinite. You can say infinite length. Infinite in the sense, see, string means it can store dynamically the number of variables based on
Yeah.
the input. Say for example, your string is having some 40 characters, it can store all the 40 characters. If it is having only 10 characters, it will store the 10 characters or something like that. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is these are the different predefined data types which are available in ABAP language, using which you can declare the variables.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
fine.
Okay.
So we'll stop here today. So now
sir.
today what we learned is how to create very small program,
Yeah.
how to add two numbers, how to create that program, and what are the different predefined data types which are available in SAP. So now
Yes.
what I will suggest you is
Okay.
create some small programs, take the user ID and password. That is your first duty, to collect the user ID and password from the
Okay.
management, and then after collecting it, go and create the program. You should also need to take a developer access key.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
they will also give the developer access key. So what will happen? So here when you click on create, here when you enter into SE38, click on create. No,
Okay.
what will happen?
Yeah.
If you, after initial, when you click on create, it will ask for a developer access key. For the first time
Okay.
when you are logging in, it will ask for a developer access key. So then you need to
Okay,
give
sir.
the developer access key. Later on it won't ask,
Okay.
because I'm using
Okay.
this user
Developer
ID for
access key, I need to get. Yeah.
developer
I
access
need to
key. You
get from
can, yeah, you need to get from the management developer access key, user ID and password. So
Okay,
once
sir.
you get this, try to create one small program.
Okay.
So how you will create a program? Come to SE38, enter the program name, click on create. For the first
Yeah.
time, you need to enter the developer access key. Then the remaining process is common. Then
Okay.
what will happen next? From the next time onwards, it won't ask the developer access key.
Yes, sir.
And you try to create some small program to subtract two numbers or multiply two numbers. Can you do it?
Yes,
Yeah,
I can do it.
yeah, and you try to put some variables and try to distribute among the screen, give some horizontal spacing, vertical spacing, try to practice those scenarios. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so you keep practicing today. Maybe we'll meet in the next class tomorrow. Fine.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Tomorrow also same timing, no?
Yeah, same time. It
You
will be
will come
around.
here or?
That actually the thing is, today I thought here some more people are going to come, so that's why I came here. So I don't know exactly. As per management decision, I may be here or maybe in Jayanagar. I will be somewhere, but our class will be running.
Okay.
Okay. Yep.
Okay, sir.
Fine then.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
I'm closing the meeting. Yeah.
Yes, sir.